a few days ago, I asked someone how come they're not a homeowner and how come they're renting. They said, Voltaire, I have a sweet deal. I live in North Park and I only pay $1,000 a month. Why in the world would I go take on a mortgage for $3,000 or $4,000 when I'm saving so much money? I'm just stacking money. Well, this is what I told her. By the way, I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Attainable Properties and top 1% agent in all of San Diego. So what I told her was my personal story. For many years, I owned all this real estate that I was renting out to tenants. I was paying $1,300. I was living in a really good pocket in North Park. And I thought I was being smart because I'd rather rent out my units than live in them. And I didn't want to go take on, at that point in time, it was about a $3,500 mortgage to own a home. Why would I do that? I'm saving so much money. Well, this is what happened. Number one, for many years, I was paying somebody else's mortgage. I was paying my landlord's mortgage instead of my own mortgage. Okay, so that money was going to the landlord. The second thing is I lost so much money in appreciation. During that time, I lost minimum $300,000 in appreciation, where if I would have owned the home, I would have made all that money. But since I didn't, the landlord made that appreciation, not me. So I lost on average about $5,000 a month in appreciation, plus the $1,300 I was paying in rent. So I really lost $6,300. That's what the rent costed me during those years. So if you're renting and you think you got a sweet deal, think again. You're paying your landlord's mortgage. You're not making any money on appreciation or principal pay down or tax benefits. So you should jump into our workshop, find out exactly what you should be doing in order to buy your first home, and that we can stop paying your landlord's mortgage, start paying your own. We'll talk later.